Good morning, everybody. Today is Saturday, September 23rd. joanday 323. Struggling here. 323. But it's Saturday and it's one of my friend's birthday today, Connie. And you guys have met her briefly once. So we're gonna go celebrate her birthday today. Of this. There's nothing that's too much. Dude, Sherry is crazy. I don't think you guys know, but like not tell like 100,000 followers that I'm crazy. Dude, I miss her. Like I said yesterday, we all are all together. 이렇게 다 같이 함께. I know, right? Miss you, Joe. The camera's very like wide angle. Happy birthday, dear Connie. Happy birthday. And Jordan. Fast forward 3 hours. Whew, we took a nap, watched Rick and Morty. Favorite show. And I was also watching slime videos. Like, it was just like so satisfying. But now we are at Whole Foods. Look at her. She's gonna cook for me today. And I'm gonna help clean up because I like cleaning up. You know that? Yeah. I do. I'm fine with that. Yeah. I like cooking more. I'd rather clean. We're a good match. I know we are. We just got back from Whole Foods and picked up a bunch of groceries. We did a haul earlier, but it came out so yellow, so we're here. Better lighting. But Joanne is going to cook kimchi jjigae or doenjang jjigae? Kimchi jjigae. Yeah, I'm so excited. She got some meat.
The pork belly.
We got all the veggies.
The onions.
The wine. I actually really like
pepper.
She bought one. Just one.
I don't want to buy more than I need.
I know.
And then we got tortilla chips.
And guac.
And spicy guac.
Yeah. This girl's not letting me do anything. She wouldn't let me pay for the groceries.
She's a guest who's visiting.
She wouldn't let me do the dishes. She doesn't even let me pay for my own transportation around San Francisco. Like, yo. We're making rice.
Putting the rice water or saving it for the kimchi jjigae.
Sponsored by Patagonia.
Oh my god, I wish. I love Patagonia.
Is that a clothing brand?
Yeah, it's like an outdoor clothing brand.
Oh. Alright, rice.
It's cooking.
Alright. First is rice. It's not 10:58 a.m. You guys should change that. Oh, okay, but the rice is going. We have the kimchi, and we have everything here.
Nervous. People are gonna be like, "You're doing it wrong." I'm supposed to freeze it.
Oh, really?
So it's easier to cut, but we don't have time for that.
We don't.
I don't have good knives. Can you get sponsored by a knife company?
What?
Just kidding.
My subscribers were like, you can tell that Joan never cooks by the way she cuts her fruits. And I was like, dang it.
Oh, smart.
Y'all know me so well. Actually, while she's cooking, I'm trying to clean up her fridge and
That's
just
a very good guess.
This situation. I don't like mess. Joanne, why are you crying?
Because you're an asshole. No.
Just kidding, it's the onions. So funny.
Alright, so I
next?
put the kimchi on first to fry it a little bit.
Same. I do this.
Put some oil.
You guys all asked for more cooking videos. Here it is. But it's her doing everything. None of this is sponsored. Ooh.
I'm really bad at using chopsticks. Don't judge me.
I think I'm like the same.
I never learned the correct way, and then now it's too late.
As long as I can eat the food, I feel like I'm doing it right.
Yeah.
Right?
It's just not the legit way.
Yeah.
Breathing in the air tonight, 'cause in orbit we'll be feeling alright. Taking in this moment tonight, I'm hoping that this feeling is right.
You know, when I was staying with Christine, Richard cooked for us.
Oh, really? Oh,
yeah.
I saw, yeah.
He's such a keeper. Huh? Yeah, he made pasta. He made the 불닭볶음면 challenge.
Okay, that's not good. I don't know if that
No,
counts.
but the fact that he just like offered to do it.
Yeah.
And he cut fruit for us.
Oh, yeah, I saw that.
Richard.
Dude, Richard's ready.
I know, he's ready.
I need to teach my boyfriend.
I know. Yay! Thank you, Joanne.
No problem.
That looks amazing. Dude, that looks good.
Hopefully it tastes good.
Joanne's also going to turn on Rick and Morty. It's gonna be a good dinner. Yay! Ooh, it's good. You know, in college, I think I shared this before, but Joanne used to cook for me a lot.
I feel like you used to cook for me too.
Kimchi fried rice and tteokbokki.
Yeah,
those two were my
things.
favorite. We just finished watching 3 episodes of Rick and Morty, and now we are gonna head out over to see Blood Orange.
In Oakland.
Yes, I can't take my camera to these concerts, so I'm probably gonna record with my iPhone. So here's the clip. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's vlog. Here's the shout out of the day for those of you guys who translated, and I will see you in tomorrow's.
joanday 되세요.
안녕!